Dear students, today is the third session of second chapter, Accounting for Partnership Firm Basic Concepts. In today's session, we will learn how to solve the problem relating to preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. In the last class, we solved two problems. Now in this session, we will take problem number 3 and problem number 4. Okay. You already know you have to make 5 entries, maximum 5 entries in profit and loss appropriation account as per our syllabus. One is profit and loss, net profit. Net profit as per profit and loss account is on the credit side. Interest on drawing on the credit side, interest on capital on the debit side, partner salary debit side, partner commission debit side, and whatever the profit remaining, that profit you have to divide among partners according to their profit sharing ratio. Suppose if the profit sharing ratio is not given in the problem, then divide it equally. Okay. So we'll take problem number 3. Problem number 3. In your book, page number 82, question number 26. Arun and Varun are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So Arun and Varun are two partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. Their opening capital, that is capital on 1st April. Opening capital means capital on 1st April. Their opening capital being rupees 80,000 and 50,000. You know you should not record the capital and drawings. Appropriation means the net profit is taken and some adjustments are made relating to interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary, commission. You should not record the capital of the partners and drawings of the partners. So capital you should not record. Capital is 80,000 and 50,000. It is given for calculation of interest on capital respectively. They earned a profit of rupees 20,000 before allowing the following. So their profit is 20,000. As per profit and loss account, their profit is 20,000. But in this problem, date is not given. So just you have to write profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended dash. Because the date is not given, year ended dash. Okay, the format is debit side you have particulars, amount rupees, credit side you have particulars, amount rupees. Okay, first you have to record the net profit. The net profit, the partner earned a profit of rupees 20,000. So this profit you have to record. This is the profit as per profit and loss account. This profit you have to record on the credit side as by profit and loss account, net profit 20,000 rupees. Now come to the following adjustments. Interest on capital at 8% per annum. Interest on capital is paid by partnership firm to partner. It is an expenses to partnership firm. It is recorded on the debit side. To interest on capital, you have to calculate. So Arun capital 80,000 into 8%. Varun capital 50,000 into 8%. Arun capital is 80,000 into 8%. Varun capital is 50,000 into 8%. 80,000 into 8%. 6,400. Varun capital is 50,000 into 8%, 4,000. So interest on capital is 6,400 and 4,000. Second entry. Interest on drawings, Arun 2,000, Varun 2,500. Interest on drawing is received by partnership firm from partners. Received. Interest on capital paid by partnership firm to partners. Expenses record on the debit side. Interest on drawings received by partnership firm from partners. It is an income record on the credit side. Interest on drawing. It is given, no need of calculation. It is given. Okay. Credit side. By interest on drawings, Arun 2000, Varun 2500. Entries for all. Third entry. Salary to Arun rupees 3000. PA. PA means per annum. 1 year salary. Per annum. Per annum means 1 year salary. 1 year salary of Arun is 3000 rupees. Salary is paid by partnership firm to partner. It is an expenses record on the debit side. To Arun salary. To Arun salary 3000 directly. 3000. 1 year salary. Next. Commission to Varun rupees 2000 per annum. It is also 2000 per annum. Per annum means 1 year commission to Arun is 2000 rupees. Commission is paid by partnership firm to partners. Record on the debit side. To Varun commission. Varun commission 2000 rupees. So I made all the entries. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. We have made the entries. Credit side net profit, credit side interest on drawing, debit side interest on capital, debit side Arun salary, debit side Varun commission, and see the balance. Whatever the difference of profit is there, whatever the surplus of profit is there, divide among partners. 24,500. Same total right here. 24,500. 24,500 minus the debit balance. 24,500 minus 6,400 minus 4,000 minus 3,000 minus 2,000. Remaining profit is 9,100. This remaining profit transferred to partners capital accounts. Arun, Varun. This profit you have to divide. 9,100 is the profit. Divided in the ratio of 2:1. Arun ratio is 2, Varun ratio is 1. So, Arun ratio is 2. Total 2 plus 1, 3. 9,100. Varun ratio is 1. Total 3. 9,100 divided by 3. 3,033. See, your answer is 3033.33 and multiplied by 2. 6,066.66. This type you will get the answer. 6,066.66. You have to write the approximate figure. After point, if it is more than 50, add 1. So it comes to 6,067. 66 is there, add 1, 67. After point, if it is more than 50, add 1, so it will become 6,067. After point, if it is less than 50, ignore it, so write only 3,033. Okay, this is the third problem. That is net profit on the credit side, interest on drawing on the credit side, interest on capital on the debit side, Arun salary debit side, Varun commission debit side, remaining profit 9,100 divided in the ratio of 2:1. That is the answer. Okay. So we will go for the fourth problem. Pratham and Chetan are partners sharing profits. Problem number 4, page number 83. Question number 4, page number 83 in your book. Problem number 28. Pratham and Chetan are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So the ratio is 3:2. On 1/4/2017, they had a capitals of rupees 1/4/2017 is the opening date. That means 31/3/2018 is the closing date. Their capital is 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. Capital 60,000 and 40,000. Capital you should not record. It is given for calculation of interest on capital. According to their partnership deed, they are entitled to the following. Number 1, interest on capital at 6%. As you know, interest on capital is paid by partnership firm to partner. It is an expenses to partnership firm. Record on the debit side. Okay, so you have to write the format. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. It is given in last. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2018. Write the date 31/3/2018. Okay. First entry is interest on capital. Interest on capital you have to record on the debit side. 2, interest on capital. Pratham, Chetan. Pratham capital is 60,000 into 6%. It is given. First adjustment. Interest on capital is 6%. And Pratham capital 60. Chetan capital is 40,000. Into 6%. Just calculate. 60,000 into 6%, it comes to 3,600. 3,600. 40,000 into 6%, it comes to, okay, 2,400. First entry is over. Come to the second entry. Interest on drawings at 5% per annum. See, in this problem, interest on drawing rate is given 5% per annum. And in the last adjustment, D, their drawings during the year, Pratham 8,000. Drawings you should not record. 8,000 drawings. And Chetan 10,000. You should not record the drawings. Their drawings during the year, Pratham 8,000 and Chetan 10,000. Interest on the same means interest on drawings rupees 400 and 500 respectively. See, in this problem, adjustment number 2, interest on drawings at 5% per annum is given. And adjustment number 4, interest on drawing rupees 400 and 500 respectively. Rate is given and the amount of interest on drawing is also given in the problem. That time you should ignore this rate. Ignore. Don't do any calculation by taking 5%. Just take the interest on drawing given in the last adjustment. Their drawings during the year, Pratham 8,000 and 10,000, Chetan 10,000. Don't take drawings. Interest on the same rupees 400 and 500 respectively means interest on drawing 400 and 500. Interest on drawing is received by firm, partnership firm from partners. It is an income to partnership firm. Record on the credit side. By interest on drawings, Pratham is 400, Chetan 500. Okay, interest on drawing 400 and 500. Okay. First adjustment is our interest on capital. Second adjustment, interest on drawing 5%. Ignore it. Don't take the interest on rate of interest on drawing when the amount of interest on drawing is given in the problem. Third adjustment, C. Chetan is allowed a salary of rupees 500. See, PM means per month. Per month. Chetan is allowed a salary of rupees 500 per month for the first 6 months. Totally, you will prepare 1 year account. 1 year account. Financial statements were prepared for 1 year. You will prepare 1 year account. In 1 year, first 6 months, his salary is 500 per month. That means the accounts will start from April. April, May, June, July, August, September. First 6 months. His salary is 500 per month. April 500, May 500, June 500, July 500, August 500, September 500. So 6 months. 500 into 6 months, 3000 rupees. And what is said here? For the remaining period. What is the remaining period? In 1 year, first 6 months. Then remaining period is next 6 months. And the remaining period, rupees 1000 per month. Remaining period salary is 1000 per month. First 6 months 500 per month. Next 6 months 1000 per month. See the calculation here. To Chetan's salary. And salary is paid by partnership firm to partner. It is an expenses to partnership firm. Record on the debit side. To Chetan salary. 500 per month into 6 months, 3000. 1000 per month into 6 months, 6000. Have you understood? 500 per month, April, May, June, July, August, September. 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. 3000 rupees. Next, October, November, December, January, February, March 2018. Next 6 months. 1000, 1000, 1000. October 1000, November 1000, December 1000, January 1000, February 1000, March 1000. Total 6 months, 6000 rupees. Total salary, first 6 months 3000 rupees. Next 6 months 6000 rupees. Total salary is 9000 rupees. Okay. First adjustment is interest on capital 6% over. Second, interest on drawing 5%. You should not calculate it because amount of interest on drawing is given in the problem. Third adjustment, Chetan is allowed a salary of 500 per month for the first 6 months and for the remaining period 1000 per month. This is over. Fourth adjustment, their drawings during the year Pratham 8000 and Chetan 10,000. Drawings you should not record. Interest on the same. Interest on drawing is 400 and 500 respectively that we have recorded. That is the profit for the year. The profit means profit of the year. Profit for the year before making the above adjustments rupees 24,100. Profit is 24,100. That profit you have to record on the credit side. This is the profit from profit and loss account. By profit and loss account, net profit 24,100. Now we have taken all the prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31/3/2018. You have taken all the entries. Now just do the calculation. Credit side you have 24,100 plus 400 plus 500. Total 25,000. Same total right here, 25,000. 25,000 minus interest on capital 3,600 minus 2,400 minus 9,000 is salary. So remaining profit is 10,000. To this profit is transferred to partners capital accounts. Pratham, Chetan. 10,000 you have to divide into Pratham ratio is 3. Chetan ratio is 2. Total is 5. It comes to 6,000. Inner column. 10,000 into Chetan ratio is 2. Total 5. It comes to 4,000. Inner column. Total 10,000 remaining profit. Total surplus profit. This surplus profit is divided among partner in the ratio of 3:2 means Pratham will get 6,000 and Chetan will get 4,000. Okay, this is the problem you have to learn for 6 marks. Next class we will continue one more problem. After that we have one more topic in this chapter, that is calculation of interest on drawing. We will go for the interest on drawings calculation. So today's class, this is the topic you have to learn and you have to practice. Thank you.